Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Google Drive on Windows with backup and sync. Full guide step by step clearly. Download the backup and sync application from the official Google Drive website. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file in your download folder. Double-click on the installation file to start the setup process. Follow the on-screen prompts to install backup and sync on your Windows computer. After the installation is complete, the backup and sync application will launch automatically. You will see a welcome screen prompting you to sign in to your Google account. Enter your Google email address and click Next. Type in your password and click Next again. If prompted, complete any additional verification steps for two-factor authentication. Once signed in, you will see the option to choose which folders to sync with Google Drive. Select the folders from your computer that you want to back up to Google Drive. You can also choose to sync everything in your Google Drive to your computer. After making your selections, click Next to proceed. In the next screen, review your settings for syncing and click Start. The application will begin syncing your selected files to Google Drive. You can monitor the progress in the backup and sync window. Once the sync is complete, your files will be securely stored in Google Drive. To access your files later, simply open the backup and sync application. You can also access your files directly from the Google Drive website. That's how you authorize Google Drive on Windows with backup and sync. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.